Hi all, this is Spirited Traveler here, and today I'm sharing my unboxing of my Ritual Zero Proof Whiskey Alternative. Comes with a little booklet there that gives you a little bit more information on the company, its mission, and some recipes. Alright, I got the bottle out of the box, and here's a look at it. Only 10 calories and 1 gram of sugar per serving. Let's check out the rest of the label. One of the things I really appreciate about this label is that they included the tasting notes right there for you to see it in a very easy manner. You don't have to refer to the back and look at some very small print. It's right there for you. Lastly, you get insight into the company itself, which is basically letting you know that it's okay to enjoy the ritual of having a beverage without that beverage actually needing to contain alcohol. And this lets you know that their whiskey alternative provides you with all the taste and the flavor of whiskey, but zero alcohol. Okay, so I just unboxed my Ritual Zero Proof bottle of their whiskey alternative. So as part of my Dry January initiative, I am foregoing all alcoholic beverages this month. So I thought this would be a good time to try some of the non-alcohol alternatives out there so that I can still enjoy me a festive beverage. It just doesn't have to have any alcohol in it. So and I'm going to give it a smell and a taste to give my honest opinion of it and to see how I think I can utilize it this month. So it smells nice. It has like a sweet herbaceous component to it, not super herbaceous, but just like a sweet component that I really can't identify. I checked the bottle out right quick. It says warm caramel, stone fruit, prickly ash, toasted spices. I do get a hint of like maybe like a charred wood type of a scent to it. So I can see that that's in it. It says American oak, Madagascar vanilla, capsaicin fruit. Now I don't know what capsaicin fruit is, but generally when I hear the term capsaicin, I think of pepper. And I don't know if that's what I'm smelling or not. It doesn't smell like peppery spicy. It smells kind of more like an herbaceous fruit. So maybe it's the stone fruit. I'm not sure. And it's definitely a sweet note to it. It's kind of a mellow smell. Let's give it a taste. Okay, now this is different. For some reason I thought it would taste thick, but it doesn't. It's actually kind of thin tasting. It does have a little bit of spice that hits like the back of my throat once I've had a sip. It's definitely warm tasting. It's very mellow. It is kind of sweet, like a little caramely, not a lot of caramely, but a little caramely. You know I suck at describing my how I think things taste, because it makes perfectly good sense to me, but I'm not sure it makes sense to everyone else. I don't really think I care for it straight up. I do think I would like it if it had like a little more woody substance to it, like a little bit more grounding to it. So I think I may actually try this in like a smoky old fashioned. I may actually enjoy this in like a whiskey sour, maybe a flavored whiskey sour. I'm gonna see what I can do with it.